What's up guys, Aaron with Twins Garage. I'm working on the Evo, decided to take a little break on the installation and get a little work done on the Evo since I got both of the cam sensors in. And bad luck, of course, it's still not starting and still just cranking. So I'm kind of at a loss now on what this could be. I thought for sure it was going to be one of the cam sensors. So as you heard, it's just cranking. To me it almost sounded like it's got low compression.
Many months later.
I stop at the top of your hill and go, nobody's coming! And I fucking just sword on it.
Come like it's a one-way street, you gotta fucking figure it back and now.
Hey, technically it's not doing anything illegal.
How?
The front of this truck is facing the proper direction.
It's going to the wrong way.
But he's not going.
First I thought it was a tow truck. I thought it was like repoing somebody else and be like, it was fucking
Very good.
I work at
I didn't think about it. Yeah.
I work at Venture. There's no such thing as sexual harassment there.
I work in construction, so you wouldn't think that.
Alright guys, Patrick just left. He does Red Sting Productions. I'll put that in the description. Check him out. He helped me out a lot today, and Ross helped me out as well. And we got quite a bit of work done, so I'm going to show you. It may not seem like a lot of work, but we ended up having to cut this to get all the bolts out for the trailing arms. The whole bracket, they all were spinning. So we had to cut a hole there. I'm going to weld that up and patch it. Now I got to do the other side. It took us a while to do this. It was a pain in the butt, but we got that side and we're going to do the other side. I'm going to cut the hole tomorrow. We're going to get the other side out and then put the bracket back in with the new trailing arm and do nut and bolt and then weld the plate over it. So I'm real excited because once that's all done, it should go a lot smoother. So it's 1:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna head inside. I'm tired and I'm gonna clean up and go to bed. So I'll check back in tomorrow. Okay guys, I just dropped Alex off at his work to get his work truck, and I'm driving the Kia back home, and I'm going to be looking at the clutch to see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. Alright guys, I'm in the garage now. Got the Kia here, messing around with the Subaru here a little bit more tonight. So far the plan is going to be to do the clutch on here. Got a few things to do before that. The shifting is getting harder and harder on this car, according to Alex. It's been a while since I've driven stick shift, so I don't really notice any huge difference. He said usually when the engine's cold, it's almost impossible to even put it in gear anymore. So I'm going to let it sit here overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to test it. And if it's like he says, I'll probably start ripping it all out. It should be replaced anyways. This car has got 100 and some thousand miles on it now on the original clutch. Alright guys, I'm just kind of getting things moved out of the way. Got the air system all out, or the intake system, I'm sorry. And now I'm going to pull the battery, the ECM, and the battery tray, just so I can kind of get a better visual of the transmission and to see how easy this will be to remove. And I'm going to talk to Alex about, while I'm in here, possibly doing some more work, because it is burning oil, which it's more likely the valve stem seals. So I'm going to talk to him about doing the timing and the head gasket. So we'll see. I got both wheels off so I can get the axles. One thing I did read online, I will have to remove the struts to get the axles out on these cars. So as you can see, the engine's pretty dirty. I mean, it's just a daily driver, so it's not really cleaned. Most people don't really clean their engine bays on daily drivers, but for the most part, it looks pretty easy. I do have a week deadline, and that includes I still got to order parts and to do the labor and get this thing running, because Alex is out away for work for a week. I got the battery and the ECM out of here. I got all the trans bolts on the bottom, and then now I still have to drain the transmission, which I'm gonna wait till tomorrow so I can get a transmission, get an oil change pan. I don't have any left around here. And then I gotta disconnect the slave cylinder line and the shift linkage, the cables that go to that, and then I can start unbolting the transmission from the engine. So I also still have to remove the axles. So I'm going to get my axle nut remover right now and start getting the nuts removed first. Okay guys, basically got the transmission ready to be pulled. Everything's disconnected. It's sagging pretty low. I just have this here, keep it from falling once it does come out. I've been wiggling it here for about 45 minutes, and I can get about an inch and a half gap, and I can't get it to come out any farther, so. Okay guys, got the transmission out. Got the new flywheel here. It's not torqued down yet. Currently I'm kind of figuring out a way to hold it still while I torque it down. So I'm going to do that right now. Got the new clutch disc and the pressure plate. And I'm about ready to get those installed. It's hard to show you because I don't have a light, and it's too dark when I'm in there to film, and there's not much room. So I'll come back once it's installed. New clutch is in. Now all we have left to do is pull the throwout bearing from the transmission, inspect the fork, and throw the new throwout bearing in, get the transmission in, get the new slave cylinder on, and we're finished. What's up guys? So I didn't end up filming the rest of the clutch install. The little bit of footage I did have didn't turn out with the lighting issue. For the most part the car's finished, because as you can see it's not in here anymore. It's outside. I took it for a test drive. It's shifting like a dream. It's driving good. So it's downpouring right now, or I'd get you some footage of the car. I opened the door and it was like a tsunami coming in here, letting all the rainwater in. Made a little bit of a mess on the floor. I was talking to Alex while trying to fill up the transmission, and then all of a sudden I noticed dripping, and I forgot to put the drain plug all the way on. So it drained out most of the gear oil I put in, so I had to go get some more, put that in. But anyways, I'll show you some footage tomorrow of the car, and we can probably do a quick film of Alex taking it for a drive and seeing what he thinks. So, see you guys tomorrow. So unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of Alex with the Kia after the clutch install because unfortunately he crashed the car. So the car is totaled. We decided not to buy it back. They just wanted too much for the amount of damage it had. So anyways, Alex does have a new car, and we will be making a new video in the future showing you the new car. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe. And we also have a few more videos I'm currently editing now to get uploaded. And a lot of new updates coming. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Peace.